science. Okay, now you're gonna make cookies today.
We're gonna make cookies today. So first, what do we have to do?
You need to wash your hands.
That's right. We have to wash our hands. Okay, turn the water on.
Yep.
Here's some soap.
Here. Let's put it on.
Okay, scrub, scrub, scrub. Mommy's gonna scrub her hands too. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
It doesn't good.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, turn the water off. Okay, we're gonna dry our hands now. Okay.
Let's,
Good job.
we need some oatmeal.
All right, we're gonna move over here.
Whoa, yep. Beep, beep,
Okay.
beep, beep.
All right.
Oh, wow.
So we have oatmeal chip cookie mix we got from Walmart.
Whoa.
We needed some butter, half a cup of butter, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla. We also have a scooper and a measuring cup. So first thing William's gonna help me do is
Oh no.
we need to dump this in the bowl. Can you dump it in the bowl for Mama?
Oatmeal. Whoa.
Wait a minute.
There's more oatmeal there.
Here, we gotta get more stuff. Okay.
We need some chocolate.
Oh yeah, do you see chocolate in there?
We need some to dump this out. Then I see, whoa, it takes
See the flour and the oatmeal. Okay. Here's the next part.
It's
Ooh.
whoa, chocolate. I make it from it. Whoa.
That's brown sugar. Can you say brown sugar?
Brown sugar.
Okay.
These are
Don't eat it. Not yet.
this one is
Okay.
brown sugar.
Here, this one too.
Whoa. It's like
All
snow.
right, it is a little bit like snow.
Whoa, let's try.
Okay, now I need you to help Mommy to cut this butter. Can you use the knife and help me cut it?
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Always use a knife with an adult, kids.
Whoa.
1,
Good.
2,
It's bricks.
3. It is like bricks.
With you. It's
4.
It's like bricks.
We have 4 little bricks of butter. Can you put them in here for Mommy?
1. Uh-oh.
1,
Oops.
2, 3.
Ugh.
Oh, we have 5. 4,
Oh.
5. Now we have to put this in the microwave to melt it.
I had to melt this one. It's like snow dad. Well, let's turn this around.
Okay, try not to get it all over.
First thing first. Wow. We need to.
Make sure you get all the lumps out. See all these lumps right here?
The what?
Smush them. Get all the lumps out for Mommy.
Oh, let's try to. Whoa, I had to mix it out. I had to mix it. I had to. Okay, this is to
It's the scooper.
scoop up. It's like an excavator. It's like an excavator, Mommy. It's
Yeah.
like an excavator, Dad. To
Okay.
scoop up.
Now, Mommy needs you to help me put half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Noah,
Yeah.
that sounds good.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Put it in here.
Butter
Thank
in
you.
the Noah.
Yep, now we have to crack the egg.
Quack it, quack it. Jump!
Okay. Now, Mommy needs you to take this fork, and can you mix it like this for Mama? Mix, mix, mix.
Whoa!
Keep mixing.
Cookies.
We're cooking cookies. Mix, mix, mix. Yep. Here, let Mommy see. Okay.
Let's dump it in
Now
the
here's
snow.
probably the next favorite part. Okay, we're gonna dump it in.
Okay, whoa! 1, 2.
And dump it in. Here we go.
Here we go. Yes.
Whoa.
Let's try to.
Okay. Now we have to use our hands and we've got to mix it all together.
Mix.
Can you help Mommy mix it all together? Whoa.
Wow. Oh no. It's. Oh
Is
no.
it dirty?
Oh no.
Is it messy?
It's messy, Dad. Look.
Yeah.
It is
We
messy.
need to. Yours is messy, Mommy.
Yeah, it is messy.
We need to clean it.
We will clean it. Let Mommy finish mixing since you said it's too messy for you.
I need to eat it.
Well, you can eat it when we cook it.
Try it.
Okay, now we have to scoop the cookies. 1,
1.
2,
Whoa. It's the bites. 2
3,
bites. 3. 1.
4,
4. A little chocolate cookie.
5, 6.
Well,
Did you steal a chocolate chip? 7, 8,
oops, I missed it.
9, 10,
Oh.
11,
Yep, we missed it.
12.
We missed.
Okay, where do we have to put them now to cook?
Oops, we dropped more.
It's okay.
I need to.
We're gonna put them in the oven.
Okay.
Okay, that's for adults only because it's very hot.
Okay, I had to eat it. Look at my cookie. I got scooping up. We need a white to see it. To see? The mint is coming off. Whee! Oh, wow. Wow.
Look what Mommy has.
A cookie.
There's your cookie. Ooh, did Blippi like your cookie?
I break it apart. I can eat them.
Are you sharing with Blippi?
Then.
Does he like it? What does he think?
I just like it. I just like it. Like it. I like cookies. I like cookies. Then. I can try it. You can try it. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom.
Are you sharing it with Blippi?
Mommy and Daddy love it when you share.
Nom.
That's good.
Ask Blippi, is he still hungry?
I'm so hungry tomorrow. I got my drink. I need some drink. I made shark drink.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna give you some drink.
Maybe it's too big to me.
Here's your shark drink.
Is he too big?
He's too big?
He's too big. Maybe too big to me.
Oh.
Okay, say bye-bye, kids.
Bye bye, kids.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Maybe too big, Dad.